Hey guys, this is Trey. Listen, I haven't done a video in quite some time on ScaleUp. I've been working diligently behind the scenes on our new project, making great strides in that department and really doing well with a few other things in my personal life, as far as videos and ministry related items. But listen, I did promise that I would try to share up to date, relevant information, especially as it pertains to traffic. And ScaleUp is still producing quite well for myself, but more so for my affiliates and for other team members because, I haven't really been using it to market anything just because I'm kind of in a waiting pattern and more of a building pattern right now. But it's producing quite well. And the amazing thing is I've still earned quite consistently with it, even though I haven't promoted it at all. And I'm gonna show you a little bit of that now if I can talk. But listen, this is the 1st of May when I'm shooting this video, and as you can see over here in the the right hand columns, the first month, which I did kind of promote it to help it kind of get out there and share it with people, I made a little over $700. But then the last 2 months, March and April, I didn't promote it at all. Not at all. I didn't shoot a video about it or anything. And I still made $250 in March. And then I just cashed out $270 a day or two ago from April. And that is amazing to me because, again, you think about it. I'm always teaching and sharing with people the importance of residual income and passive income, especially to offset marketing costs. And so this is an opportunity for me not only to provide a traffic resource to people who actually need traffic, but to get paid a nice little passive part-time income at the same time. And this again is one of the secret tips on how to offset your marketing costs and to make sure that you're earning and not spending out the money that you need to get your business up and going. So tools like this make these resources even more valuable because it's a chance for people to get a little bit of traffic if you do it the right way. And I've been trying to teach you to do it the right way, and then have money coming into your account, into your pocket at the same time. So don't underestimate what's going on here. And also what I love about it is it has a little bit of leverage built into it because you get paid directly and indirectly by the people that have joined with you. So as you can see, I have 137 direct referrals, and those people are obviously, working and promoting and sharing. So when they have people that join with them, I have 221 indirect referrals. Those are people I don't even know. I don't even know who they are. But when they take action, when they, purchase traffic or whatever, I'm able to get compensated as well. So I just wanted to show you that that's happening. And also one of the additions that they've made that I think is going to help people out tremendously as well is when you share your link now, you also have some different landing page options. They first originally had the basic home page, but now they have a short landing page, an MLM themed landing page, and a landing page that's built around the income opportunity. So the short landing page is short to the point. As you can see, it has a very catchy tagline here, get leads and drive traffic, and the video here that's pretty catchy and does a great job of explaining the program. So this is one of the ones I like because it's short to the point and it's not a lot of information for people to get lost on. So they can watch the video and then just go ahead and create their free account, and it kind of gets them right into the system instead of spending a lot of time maybe overcomplicating what's really simple. Okay, and then the second one is based on MLM, really targeting probably business leaders and people who are familiar with the industry. So it's themed around that and just has a little bit more content, still has some of the same videos, and then probably some of the testimonials that are really catchy and eye-opening for people to see the results that are being generated. Okay, and then the last one is the one that's built around the opportunity to earn with the platform. Again, not a lot of information to get people off track, but it does a great job of highlighting the income opportunity and the affiliate program. So if those people are mainly wanting to understand how that works, this page would suit them best. So it just gives you a little bit more flexibility when promoting the program. Of course, I have a few capture pages and things that I use personally, and I'm also reaching out to some of my developers and programmers to build a capture page specific for this inside of my capture page system. So if that's something you're interested in, just reach out to me. And once that's completed, I'll make sure you have opportunity to get access to that. Okay. But ScaleUp's doing really well still. Like I said, I love the fact that it's working passively, and I'm still getting good feedback from people that are constantly and consistently using it. And the platform is growing because the awareness of it is getting out there. So I just wanted to come do an up-to-date video, let you know it's still working, still doing quite well. And I will be using it a little bit more once this system is finished and we're out there promoting, and we'll use this as a way to generate traffic to our new system. Okay. All right. I hope this helps you. Again, I'll put my information down for ScaleUp below, and then I'll also put the link on those that still want to join up with us. We're getting really, really close, and I want to do my best to try to keep everybody up to date on what's happening and the progress that we're making. So hope this has been a help to you. Make sure you stay consistent with your marketing, with your learning, your growing, your advertising, and let's continue to make this year 2025 a good year for you and your family. Okay. All right. Thanks so much for your time. We'll talk to you on the next video. Take care.